Ever wished you had more font options in After Effects to really make your motion graphics pop? Well, let's get you started with how to effortlessly add new fonts to After Effects. The first and most crucial step is installing the font on your computer's operating system. You can find free font resources online like Google Fonts, or purchase premium fonts through websites like Creative Market and Adobe Fonts. Once you've downloaded your chosen font file, which typically comes in TTF or AW format, you need to install it on your computer. On Windows, you'll usually begin by right-clicking the font file and selecting Install. This ensures that the font is recognized system-wide. On macOS, you can double-click the font file and a preview will appear. Then simply click Install Font within the font book app. The specific steps might vary depending on your operating system version, but generally, it's a straightforward process, right? Now that the font is installed on your computer, the second step is to open Adobe After Effects. The installed font will be accessible within the text tool. Let's dive right in. Create a new composition or open an existing project, then select the Type tool, commonly known as the text tool. From the toolbar, click anywhere in your composition window to create a new text layer. With your text layer selected, head over to the character panel, usually located on the right side of your screen. If you don't see the character panel, go to Window and select Character. Click the Font drop-down menu. Scroll through the list of available fonts until you find the new one you just installed. It should be listed along with your existing fonts. Simply click on its name to apply to your text layer. You can also use the search box in the character panel to quickly find your font. Now, you are able to experiment with your new font. Remember to explore the various font styles and characters to find the perfect feel for your project. That's it. You can repeat these same processes for other fonts too. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.